Hello, welcome to class. Now, today's lesson, we're going to be looking at lesson 11. Okay, now let's see our learning target for today. Our learning target for today is I can blend and segment words and I can rhyme. In our previous class, I taught you about rhyming words. Do you remember? Oh, yes, you do. Now, the first thing for today is I can sound. We're going to sound and blend. Can you sound? Me, I can sound. I don't know about you, but I can. Okay, so let me quickly show you how we're going to do that today, okay? I'm going to show you that I know after that you will be able to sound and blend, okay? Now, let's practice segmenting with our fingers. Do you remember using each of your fingers when you say a letter and also to make a fist to blend? Do you remember doing that? Because it's fun. Now, the first finger you lift up is your what? Your pointer. The next one is your middle finger. The other one is your ring finger. You have another finger as well. Your pinky. Wow. And lastly, your thumb. And what do you do to blend all the letters you sounded? To make a fist to blend everything. Okay, now let's practice using these gestures with words. Are you ready? Oh yes, me, I'm ready, so you better be ready. Now, the first word for today is d, end. D, end. Did you make a fist? You have to make a fist to blend, okay? Now, let's see the other word we have today. Now, let's sound. B, d, bend. B, d, bend. Okay? Did you make a fist? Always make a fist. Now, let's see another word again. Wow, much letters. Now, let's blend them all together. B, d, blend. Let's do it again. B, d, blend. Did you make a fist? Please always make a fist to blend. Okay? Now let's see another word again. Now let's sound and blend. D, blend. Let's take it again. D, blend. Did you make a fist? Beautiful. Now, another word again. D, send. D, send. Always make a fist. Now we have another one with not much letters this time. Now let's sound and blend. D, red. D, red. That's how you spell color red. Did you make a fist? Please always make a fist, okay? Beautiful. Let's see if we have another word. Oh, yes, we do. Now let's sound and blend. B, ooh, blue. Oh my goodness, this is wonderful. B, ooh, blue. Did you make a fist? Always make a fist to blend, okay? Beautiful. Now let's see if we have another word. We do. Now let's sound and blend everything. G, r, e, green. G, r, e, green. That's how to spell color green. Now let's check if we have another one. letters, much letters. Now let's sound and blend. B, L, A, K, black. B, L, A, K, black. That's how to spell color black. Did you make a fist to blend? Always make a fist to blend. Okay? Beautiful. Now we have another one. Now let's blend this one. B, R, A, brown. B, R, A, brown. Did you make your fist? Did you lift up the right fingers? Beautiful. Now, you will need a pencil and paper. We have something exciting to do. And guess what? You're also going to get into pairs. You can pair with your mommy or pair with your daddy to carry out this exercise, okay? So no one is left out of this exercise. Mommy and daddy are included. Brother or sister are included. You can call your brother or your sister. Now, let's review each letter sound, okay? Now, take a look at my board. But first of all, we're going to get into pairs, like I said earlier. Let's get into pairs. Tell mommy or daddy, get a piece of paper and a pencil. I'm going to write down some words for me, some letters as well, okay? This exercise is called chaining. I'm going to learn how to do chaining. And those cards you're going to cut out are called your chaining cards. And we're going to arrange them to make words. Now let's take a look at my board. I'm going to say some words. For each word I say, one person will spell the word using their chaining folder. The other person will copy the word on a paper. Now, this is my board. I have so many letters here. I'm going to say some words and one person will spell it on their chaining folder. As I said, get a piece of paper and pencil. Are you ready? Can we move forward now? Okay, now let's go. Now let's get started. You may check the board to see if your word looks like mine. Go ahead and check. Beautiful. Now, the first word for me, for you today is rip. Rip. The first word I have for you today is rip. Now, check if you're going to see letter R, letter E, and letter P on my board. Beautiful. Is it also on your chaining folder? Wonderful. Now, let's check for another word again. This word is trip. Trip. To go on a trip. Now check your board and check my board. Check your chaining folder and check mine. Do they look alike? Does this word rhyme with the word we wrote down? And do you see these letters on the board? Wonderful. Now let's move over to another one. This word is trap. Trap. Now let's check my board and see if we can see all the letters on this word. Can you see all the letters in this word on my board? S, R, A, P. Trap. Did you see it? Good. Now we have another one. Tap. S, A, P. Tap. Can you find S, A, P on my board? Keep checking your folder and keep asking your partner to write them down, okay? Good. Now, we have another one. S, S, A, B. Stab. S, S, A, B. Stab. Now, can you see these letters on your chaining folder? Beautiful. They are all there. Okay? Tell your partner to keep writing them down. Okay? Now, let's complete one more chain. This time, we're going to use another set of words. Okay? With the same chaining folder. Do not change anything on your chaining folder. We're also going to use these letters on my board. Now, the first word for this chaining we're going to complete is risk. 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 Can you see the letters in your training folder? Beautiful. Now we have another one again. Disc. 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 Now check your training folder and see if you can find these letters. Good. They're all there. Keep writing them down and take note of every letter. Okay? Now another one is desk. Desk. D-E-S-K. Desk. We also have another one. D-O-S-T. Dust. D-O-S-T. Dust. Can you find these letters on your board? Good, they're there. Now let's check for another one. B-E-S-T. Best. B-E-S-T. Best. Okay? Now let's check for another one. R-E-S-T. Rest. R-E-S-T. Rest. Now we have another one. R-O-S-T. Rust. Rust. Can you see these letters on your training folder? And are you writing them down? Beautiful. Okay? Now, I told you earlier we're going to revisit rhyming words. Now you can tell me what rhyming words are. Wonderful! Rhyming words are words that end with same sounds. A few lessons ago, we learned about rhyming words. Now, two words when they end with same sounds are called rhyming words. Two words rhyme when they end with same sounds. Now, I'm going to give you some examples, okay? Good. Now, we have run. We have fun. Does this sound like a rhyming word to you? Yes, it does. Because run ends with letter and fun ends with letter So run and fun are both rhyming words. Okay? Now we have another one. Van and pan. Van and pan. Does this sound like a rhyming word to you? Yes, they are rhyming words because they end with same sound. We have another one again. Bug and rug. Bug and rug. Does this sound like a rhyming word? Yes, it does because they both end with letter G. Bug and rug are rhyming words. Now let's check this one. Chop and hop. Chop and up. Does this sound like a rhyming word to you? Yes, it does because they both end with letter P. Okay? Now, what words will rhyme with heel? Go ahead, tell me. Think of something that ends with letter L that will rhyme with the word heel. Good. Now, let me show you something. Still, trill, chill, feel. All these are rhyming words. They all rhyme with heel. Okay? Now, let's check another one. What words rhyme with weak? Check and see the word that rhymes with weak and tell me. Good. Now, let's take a look at mine. Okay? Let me show you mine. Chick, sneak, pick, lick. All these words rhyme with weak. Okay? Now, what words rhyme with rain? Rain. Check and see. Words that rhyme with rain. Now, let me show you mine. Pain, gain, train, stain. All these are rhyming words. They rhyme with the word rain because they end with same sound. Okay? Now, what words rhyme with wet? Check it out. Tell me some words that rhyme with wet. Beautiful. You gave it a good try. Now let me show you mine. Bet, let, met, net. All these are rhyming words. They rhyme with the word wet because they end with same sound. Okay? Now let me show you another one. What words rhyme with note? Note. Now let me show you mine. Wow. Boat, vote, wrote, goat. All these words rhyme with what? Notes. They rhyme with notes. Okay? Because they end with same sound. Okay? Good. Now, what words rhyme with look? Look. Now let me show you. Book, took, crook, shook. They all rhyme with what? Look. Because they end with same sound. What word rhyme with sock? Sock. Now let me show you mine. Rock, clock, knock, shock. All these words rhyme with what? Sock. Because they end with same sound. What words rhyme with sad? Can you see the boy in the picture? He's sad. He hurt his nail. And he's sad. Now let's see what words rhyme with sad. Mad, glad, dad, bad. All these words rhyme with sad because they end with what? Same sound. Okay? What words rhyme with tease? Tease. Now, let me show you. Bees, trees, D's, knees. These words rhyme with tease because they end with same sound. Now, today we're going to reread muffs. Okay? You know where it is on your book, right? We're going to reread that story, muffs. Okay? Today we will work in groups to complete activities from muffs. Remember earlier I told you you should get into groups. Do not let mommy and daddy go yet. Tell them they'll be reading with you. Tell your brother or your sister or your friend. Tell them not to go yet, that we're going to reread the muffs, okay? Now, small group reading. Let's work on some activities together. We're going to work on some activities from the muffs. Good. Please partner read the story muffs. If you finish early, you may partner read other stories, okay? So now get the book and start reading now so you can finish up and start reading another story. It was so nice having you join me in this class. I hope you continue learning how to sound and blend and to make rhyming words, okay? I'm so glad we're able to also get our learning target for today, which is I can blend and segment words and I can rhyme, okay? Keep doing all of these at home and you're going to be good at it, okay? Thanks for everything. Bye.